In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and restore DNS records in Cloudflare. Managing your DNS records is a critical part of maintaining your website's stability and security, and having a backup of these records can save you a lot of time and stress if you ever need to restore your settings. Whether you're migrating to a new hosting provider, making changes to your domain, or simply being proactive about data protection, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process clearly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Cloudflare website. This is where everything begins. If you're not already familiar with Cloudflare, it's a popular platform for managing website security and performance. But today, we're focusing specifically on backing up and restoring DNS records. Once you're on the Cloudflare homepage, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. It's a straightforward process, and Cloudflare will guide you through it. For those of you who prefer to use your Google account for convenience, you can click on Continue with Google to log in seamlessly using your Google credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Cloudflare dashboard, which is where you can see a list of all the domains you've added to your account. From here, locate the domain you want to work with. Once you find it, click on the domain name. This will open up the settings specific to that domain. Now, you'll want to navigate to the domain settings page. Once you're there, click on the DNS tab. This is where all of your DNS configurations live, so it's the central hub for today's task. On the DNS page, scroll down until you see the Import and Export section. This is the area that allows you to back up or restore your DNS records. Let's start with the backup. Click on Export DNS Records. When you do this, Cloudflare will generate a file that contains all of your current DNS settings. It's a quick and effortless process. After the file has been created, download it to your computer. Make sure to store it in a secure location. This file is essentially a snapshot of your DNS configuration, so you don't want to lose it. For extra security, consider backing it up to a secondary storage device, like an external hard drive or a reliable cloud storage service. This way you'll have multiple copies in case you ever need them. Now, let's move on to restoring DNS records. This comes in handy if you've made changes that you want to revert, or if you're transferring your settings to another account or domain. To restore your DNS records, return to that same Import and Export section on the DNS page. This time, click on Import DNS Records. When prompted, upload the file you previously downloaded during the backup process. After uploading the file, Cloudflare will apply the changes to your DNS settings. You may be asked to confirm the changes, so make sure to carefully review everything before finalizing the update. And that's it. Your DNS records have been successfully restored. The process is simple but incredibly important for maintaining the integrity of your domain. If you follow these steps, you'll always have a reliable backup of your DNS records and the ability to restore them whenever needed. This is a great habit to incorporate into your website management routine, especially if you're frequently making updates or changes to your domain. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.